Hello guys, this is Easy and welcome back to another video of this series. So guys, today I have just bring one video, and this video is basically about Star Phase 1 exam that has been conducted by Indian Air Force with the collaboration of CDAC Pune and CDAC, one of the leading software development company of government. Okay, so guys, what are the stages, or you can say what are the steps uh, during first phase of this examination? I will tell you step by step. Okay, so guys, here as the notification came out, so candidates or aspirants go through this notification and read thoroughly so they can get the information what they want. Okay, so this notification published twice a year in month of Jan and month of July. So first cycle for Jan exam basically conducted in month of March, and for the second cycle this exam conducted in month of September. Okay, so this was the notification. Now I will move on the second, that is syllabus. As being freshers, or you can say you just completing your 10+2 exam and you just straightway come to competition examination, so you must have information about the syllabus of this particular exam if you want to apply for this examination. So for group X there is exam syllabus, that is PCM, physics, chemistry, math and English. And as I have already told you in my last video, qualification is 10+2 with English 50%, means aggregate 50% and English 50%. Okay guys, now I will move on the group Y. Group Y is basically comprises of same education qualification, that is a 10+2 with English, minimum 50% aggregate and 50% in English. But one thing is in group Y, that is there is no stream foundation, means if you belongs to arts, science, commerce, you can apply for this group Y. Okay, so next one is, that is apply online application. This exam is totally based on online module, so you have to apply your application through online mode. There is no offline mode available right now. Earlier it was offline mode, but now it has been converted to online mode. So next one is that exam centers. Exam centers are your choice. If you want to your nearby vicinity or nearby area, you can fill up accordingly. Okay, and now I will move on the online exam. Before online exam there is one process, that is admit card. So as you will fill the application, so you will get the admit card after 15 or 10 days back. Okay, so exam will be conducted online in various centers all over the India, and you have to score as much as you can. Okay, so as the exam will be over, result will be announced. So guys, as the result will be announced, you will be qualified the next phase, that is Star Phase 2. And I hope so guys, you will like my videos. Please share my video and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for till then. Bye bye. I will come up with new video